Hello everybody, today I'm going to do a pet tracker in my bullet journal. And this is my pet. She's called Willow and she's a Chihuahua and she'll be 1 next week. She is my world. So let's begin. First of all, I'm going to stick down this photo of her. And I'm going to stick this here. She's stunning, she's got beautiful blue eyes, which I think is unusual for a Chihuahua. Right, first I'm going to grab this stencil from Oops a Daisy. It's the sticky notes stencil. I'm going to use this stencil here. I'm going to draw this here because I'm going to just have this for notes. Like that. I'm going to turn this a little bit like this. I'm going to take these pocket stencils that I've got from Oops a Daisy. I'm going to do notes here. Do you have any pets? What pets do you have? Let me know in the comments section. If you have a Chihuahua, let me know if they're so needy, like mine is. She literally follows me everywhere I go. She's asleep at the moment, at my feet. Good thing about these stencils, you've got the middles here, so I can fill in the middle of the O, and then find the ones for E. So small, the E one. I'm just going to do the E by hand, like that. And she's called Willow. I don't know if I've already said that. Here I'm going to write flea treatment. I really like these stencils. You can get them in all different fonts, and you can get them in big letters or these little pocket ones which are smaller. doing these letters green to bring the green from there to this page. Right, let's go over what I've done so far. So I've got her name, Willow, put a picture of her. I've got this note section, and then this is where I can mark off a flea treatment each month, worming tablet, nails, bath. This is a profile. Breed, I'm going to write Chihuahua. Birthday, her birthday is this month on the 24th. Microchip, I'm going to put a microchip number, and then I'm going to fill in her insurance details. Right, what I'm going to do now is, I've just found a little paw stamp that I had, and I'm going to use this ink because it doesn't bleed through my paper, and I'm going to put a few paws prints down for decoration. Put one there. If you haven't got a paw stamp, you can just draw them if you're quite good at drawing. I'm going to fill in these details off camera, some of it's private information. I'll show you what I've done. So in bullet journal, I covered this page with green tartan, I put pet tracker and put a little sticker, and then I cut some of the page away and put some washi tape down here, and that way when I turn the page you can see this here. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me set up this pet tracker in my bullet journal. If you found it helpful or inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more creative ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!